Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious lemon cookies. They are chunky and soft and absolutely amazing. I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. To begin this recipe, I've got 1 stick of unsalted butter here in my bowl. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of sugar and then give that a blend until it's nice and fluffy with my hand mixer. I'm going to add in 1 large egg, and then for this recipe I zested 2 large lemons. We're going to need 1/4 cup of lemon zest. Now it's important to use lemon zest because the zest of the lemon has all the flavor. We want all of that natural delicious lemon flavor in these cookies. I'm going to add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give this another blend until it's all combined. I've got about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar here, and I'm going to portion my cookies into balls and then roll them in the powdered sugar. And then I'm going to put them in a tray and I'm going to refrigerate them for 20 minutes. While my cookies are in the fridge, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. These cookies are going to bake for 12 minutes. I'm going to turn the tray halfway through so they bake evenly, and look at how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and check out my cookie playlist. I've got a ton of delicious cookie recipes on there I just know you'll love. Thanks for watching.